Hey there, DIY warriors! Welcome back to Tool Junkie, where we turn everyday gadgets into extraordinary creations. Today, get ready to unleash some explosive creativity as we dive into the world of DIY power banks with a nuclear bomb twist. I promise this is one project that's bound to light up your day. Why DIY power bank? Now you might be wondering, why bother with a DIY power bank? Well, buckle up because we've got some compelling reasons. First off, customization. Express your style, show off your personality, and create something truly unique. Plus, it's a fantastic learning experience, and the satisfaction of saying, "Yeah, I made that," is priceless. How does including a fan help? But wait, there's more. Ever thought a power bank could be cool and functional at the same time? Introducing the star of our show, the cooling fan. Why? Well, stick around and find out how this seemingly small addition can make a massive difference. So, what do you need for this exceptional DIY project? Well, let me tell you: a power bank circuit, a cooling fan, and a touch of creativity. Component necessary for the DIY power bank. If you're building from scratch, you'll need some core components such as lithium-ion batteries, a charging circuit, voltage regulator, and a protection circuit to ensure the safety of your power bank and connected devices. Let's start with the powerhouse, the lithium-ion batteries. These little energy-packed wonders will be the fuel for your power bank. Make sure to choose high-quality batteries with the capacity that suits your charging needs. So to make this explosive DIY power bank, gather a power bank circuit, lithium-ion batteries, a charging circuit, a voltage regulator, and a protection circuit. With these components, we're set to bring our nuclear bomb power bank to life. Now let's dive into the next phase of this electrifying project. Checking if the power is correct. Safety first, my DIY comrades. We'll show you how to check if the power is flowing correctly through your circuit. No sparks, just pure electricity and good vibes. Now onto the fun part, giving our power bank a nuclear bomb makeover. How? With 3D modeling. It's time to turn heads and drop jaws. How to 3D model the power bank case. Now let's transform our DIY power bank into a visual spectacle with a nuclear bomb-inspired case using the magic of 3D modeling. Choose 3D modeling software that suits your skill level, whether it's beginner-friendly options or more advanced tools like Blender or Fusion 360. Sketch the design, focusing on sleek contours and that iconic bomb shape. Ensure precise measurements to accommodate the power bank components seamlessly. Bring your 3D model to life through printing, either with your own 3D printer or online services. Add final touches like weathered finishes, metallic paint, or LED accents for that extra flair. With our 3D modeled nuclear bomb case ready, the next step is merging it with the power bank circuit. Stay tuned for the electrifying conclusion to this DIY adventure. Grab your virtual tools as we guide you through the process of 3D modeling the case. Think curves, details, and that unmistakable nuclear bomb aesthetic. This is where the magic happens. Joining the components of the power bank, the moment of truth. We'll show you how to seamlessly join the power bank circuit with the 3D modeled case. It's like bringing Frankenstein's monster to life, only way cooler. Are you ready for the big reveal? We've reached the moment of truth, the outcome. Stick around and let's see how our DIY nuclear bomb power bank turned out. Spoiler alert, it's going to be epic. If you enjoyed turning the ordinary into extraordinary, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more mind-blowing DIY projects, and hit that notification bell to stay in a loop. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and stay charged in style. See you in the next one.